Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White, and I'm proud to say that we have found your entry into Remuera. Here at 10B Norana Ave, you are literally 100 metres away from Remuera Road, and this 2-bedroom townhouse represents some of the best buying in the area. Let's go and have a look. With double grammar zoning, this home will appeal to a wide range of buyers. Whether you're looking to get started, downsize, or as a longer term investment, it just works. The superbly convenient location of this home is second to none, with Remuera Village moments away. Food outlets, eateries and boutique shopping a short walk. Close to public transport options, main arterial routes, motorway access, but still within walking distance of Remuera Primary and Intermediate, so you won't have to drive far. This is some great buying and we can't wait to show you through. Make sure you come along on the weekend to open homes or arrange a time for a private viewing.